Now that your SteelMaster building has arrived, it's time to put it together. Start by laying your panels on the ground to begin forming the arches. Drift pins are highly recommended for aligning the holes in the panels. They're usually available at any local hardware store. At this stage, just spin the washers on the bolts, enough to hold everything in place. This buyer opted to design his own lumber foundation and use the optional industrial base connector to transition the building to the lumber base. Once the bolts are secured, it's time to raise the arches. This S model has 5 panels, with the heaviest piece being around 40 pounds, and the whole arch weighing about 130 pounds. The number of people needed depends on your building size and the crew available. This building is an S model, 12 feet wide by 10 feet long, and installed in less than 5 hours. When raising the arches, have people around the arch to help lift and guide it into place on the foundation. Raise the remaining arches the same way, with a 3.5-inch overlap between each. Insert enough bolts from one arch to the next to hold it in place, then proceed to the next arch. Once all of the arches are raised up and loosely bolted in place, then go back and insert the rest of the bolts in all of the holes, still keeping things loose. After all bolts are installed, go back and tighten everything down. The corrugated steel panels for the back end wall are pre-cut to fit, and all holes are pre-punched. All panels are labeled for easy install. Start in the center and work your way to the outside, bolting one panel to the next using the same size bolts as the rest of the building. This customer went with an outer trim kit and plans to make a custom end wall using local materials. And just like that, you've assembled your very own SteelMaster building that is 100% maintenance-free, ready for the harshest weather conditions, and backed by a 50-year warranty.